Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of First Solar Inc. Now, what makes this stock interesting is the sector in which it falls into, and the price action in the past 1 month, 6 month, year to date, and past 1 year. So, it is trading at the highest peak in the past 1 year, and although it has surpassed the estimate target, but I also and mark your calendar for the upcoming release earnings release on 4th of November. So as you can see, we will check if there is any recent press release definitely. So let's go and check and see if there is First Solar specific news. So the stock rose due to increase in solar specialist Enphase Energy stock because Enphase Energy rose almost 25% on strong growth outlook. Some investors are also First Solar shares are up on to date, and Ken Griffin Citadel Investment Group owned both put and calls on First Solars at the end of the June. This is just an update. We can't guess anything out of it. But overall, because this is related to solar sector, and obviously we are moving toward you know uh, energy not which is not coming out from the fossil fuel, and so this is the latest. It's not latest, but it is one of the press release. Let's see if there is anything uh, which is close to which is so this is 1 day ago. Let's see. So optimism for First Solar. So here are some news. Let's have a look at strong fundamentals. So during the last decade, First Solar become profitable. That kind of transition can be an inflection point that justify a strong share price action. Just we have seen here. So it's about the perspective over here, nothing else. And this First Solar stock a good pick in the post-pandemic world. So they are talking about two companies uh, where prominent conventional and renewable energy companies in the US, while both stocks have recovered pre-COVID levels, remains a good pick to earn regular dividend income assisted by growth benchmark prices. The slump in transportation and industrial demand negatively affected the oil and gas industry, with benchmark prices observing the sharp contraction in the last year, uh, which is better. So don't want to go into these things. They are talking about a comparison. It's going to be a long one. So now, as a gist, what I can say, what I feel as an observation is because solar energy is one of those energies which we are looking for or opting for going forward as far as an energy option is concerned, because most of the countries across the globe have long-term plans to move out from this fossil fuel and to control this carbon emission across the globe. Now, if you're looking at this chart, you will see some sharp kind of moves, and the chart is indeed making some higher highs. So, if you are saying that the chart has already moved up, yes, it has indeed moved up from the lows of 2020. It moved up by 300%, but the actual movement has started from 2012, and you can see the stock went up by 900%. Meanwhile, the stock has been in a consolidation for a decent amount of time, and the breakout has just happened, let me tell you that. So this is the range in between which the stock has been trading for 7 odd years, 2013 to 2020, and finally the breakout has happened. Not only that, the recent high that it has made in the month of February 2021, it has also crossed. So you have two levels to look at. On the downside, you have 113 as your immediate support, and you can consider 76 as 0.5 as your stop loss. And because we are looking at a monthly chart, so the levels is going to be big one on both the sides. You are talking about support or resistance. And if the stock continues to sustain above 113, 114, which it is right now, so the levels beyond 113 and 114, what we are doing here is obviously looking for the previous high that it has made in the year 2007 and 8. So we have 3 or 4 targets to look at, starting with 177, 211, 288, and the big target of 323 going forward. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.